Howdy, paper engineers in training. As you can see, I have paper towel here. Now I'm going to put glue on my hand and I'm going to get this absolutely saturated. Now all of these pieces are going to be the same because what I have to do is I have to stick them in there and in there and some here and here and here and here and here. I have to strengthen this whole thing because it's going to be holding that broken Star Destroyer upright for the rest of its life. And so it has to be strong enough to hang on there. Well, I took a pause there for a minute. You can see how I started to pack these pieces in. This is what I'm doing right there. I've showed you this on the show. What you have to do is you have to get your Elmer's glue absolutely saturated into your paper towel. And I use paper towels because they're fairly reasonably priced, and they work really good for building. Now you can see I keep folding it over and making a little bit tighter square out of it. Now, once you've got that done, then you just take a little bit of glue and you put it in there like so. And I grab the dry end, the driest end of what I'm working with, and I just get it in there and I swab it around. Get it on everything that I want to get this on, because what is going to happen is in 3 days, roughly, all of this, everything that I'm putting in here will be concrete hard. So that's good enough for this tutorial. Just to show you what this is the Star Destroyer that the hammerhead is going to run into. Take care, Paper Army. Thank you very much for coming to the show and for watching all my videos. I appreciate it very much, and I have a few. Thank you for watching page ads, you guys. That's just absolutely amazing. And I'll be live. Well, this is a tutorial. You already know when I'm live. Take care, Paper Army.